going to introduce you to the Mustang we call Goldie. 1981 Ford Mustang LX. Let me pull the hood. There it is. 5.0. I fell in love with this car. Nice, clean, black interior. It's pretty well done. So, we call it Goldie. My youngest, he's 22 now. When he was, I don't know, the year was 2013, do the math. He, for whatever reason, started calling it Goldie, and it stuck. 5-speed car. Cold AC. Rear disc brakes. Okay. Love it. If you're looking for something cheap to maintain, cheap to fix, cheap on insurance, I think I'm somewhere around 10 grand on this one on coverage, and it's like 150, 160 a year. Not bad at all through Hagerty. Plastics are all good and clean. Very rare in a car of this age to find an interior in that good a shape. This car was in a barn. I pulled it out of the barn and went to go look at it, and tell you what, when I saw the plastics, I tried not to get excited because I didn't want the price to go up. My boys won't let me paint this one. She got a couple of little door dings. Some people call these whiskey dents. I don't know. I don't drink whiskey, so I don't know what that's about. Little patina. I don't know what went on here. It's a mass air car. Big V8 disc brakes in the front. It does have a K-member, tubular K-member. And if you don't know what that is, that would be the same thing that is in this car. That cross member right there. That's a tubular K-member. This is basically a Mustang from here up. Well, until you get up there, then it's different. But got another one in here. This one is painted. More on this car later. It's a 79. I even got heated seats in this car. Built basically the same way. And it's worth substantially more than this one. Got another one here I'm working on. All right, well, want to give you a little teaser there. So hopefully that was enough to wet your whistle. If you want to see more on these cars, give me a subscribe. I don't know, because this is Bonafide. This is the real deal. It's authentic, it's genuine. Hope you liked it.